Welcome back. If you watched my last video on Meloty AI, you know I called it the producer that stops the gambling. It gave us a workflow that actually made sense. Well, Meloty just dropped a massive update. And if you are the type of creator who likes to look under the hood, you are going to love this. But hey, they didn't just update the interface, they've upgraded the engine. That's right, Meloty AI has integrated the latest state-of-the-art models, Mureka V8 and MiniMax 2.5. These are heavy hitters in the current AI music space. But more importantly, they did something most AI platforms are scared to do. They unlocked the black box, giving the creators access to two new creativity sliders, temperature and top P. What does that mean? It means we can now control the AI's imagination. We can tell it when to play it safe and when to get crazy. In this video, we are going to put these new engines to the test. I'm going to walk you through the updated agent workflow, and then we are going to do some exploring with the new sliders to see exactly how much control we really have. Let's get into the lab. Okay, we're in the dashboard. The workflow starts the same way we know and love. We are using the agent. Now, normally this is where you would just type your idea and hit start. But look at this settings icon right here next to the model selection. Click that. This is what I'm talking about. Temperature and top P, most AI tools hide these values from you. They hard-code them to be safe. Meloty lets us pop the hood and tune the engine before we even drive the car. Let's break down what these actually do, because understanding this is the difference between a generic song and a hit. First, temperature. As you can see on the screen, this controls the variance. Lower settings are for consistency. If you want the AI to strictly stay on the rails, keep it low. Higher settings are for creativity. If you want new, wild ideas, crank it up. Second, top P. The interface defines this perfectly. Low top P makes the output predictable. It sticks to the most likely choices. High top P makes the output unexpected and diverse. But let's see what that actually looks like in practice. I'll run a quick lab test here. I'm using a simple prompt, a 1980s synth-pop song about a fast car. First, I'll set the temperature to 0.3 for maximum consistency. As you can see, the agent is playing it very safe. The lyrics are standard, the structure is predictable. It's consistent, but maybe a bit boring. Now, I'll crank that temperature all the way up to 1.4, the chaos slider. Look at that. Suddenly the agent is getting poetic. It's using metaphors like ghost inside machine. It's taking risks. That is the power of having these controls unlocked. You decide if you want a standard radio hit or something wild and creative. Back to our main project. So, looking at my settings here, I'm gonna keep the sliders at default time, with temperature set to 1.2 and top P set to 0.95. Both of these are on the high end. That means I am explicitly telling the agent, do not be consistent. Do not be predictable. Surprise me. I will enable thinking mode, and I'm selecting Grok 4 for the lyrics model because I want that gritty, edgy storytelling vibe. And for this test, I want to create a dark cinematic noir song about a detective in the year 2080. Because this is a complex, moody concept, I don't want the AI to be boring. I want it to be creative. Now that the engine is tuned, let's hit start. Boom! 3 versions. The agent is doing its thing. Verse, chorus, bridge structure. I'm looking at version C. It's got good imagery and seems punchier. Now, we move to style selection. Here also, we can adjust the creativity sliders for deciding on the style for our song. I will set temperature to 1 and the top P to 0.85 for high creativity and unpredictability. Because we set those sliders high earlier, look at what the agent is suggesting. It's not giving us basic pop or rock. It's suggesting futuristic detective noir for suspense scenes, shadowy detective mood for late-night scenes, and epic noir investigation for action trailers. This is the direct result of that high top P setting. It's reaching for more unique combinations. I really like the shadowy detective mood idea. Some dark ambience with atmospheric pads will fit our noir vibe perfectly. But I want to make sure the suspense really lands, so I'm going to use the chat to refine feature. I'm telling the agent, Make the atmospheric pads haunting and ensure there is a heavy, slow heartbeat-style bass line. The agent updates the prompt. Perfect. Now we have a custom style that matches our vision exactly. Now we are at the final generation stage, and this is where the big update really shines. Open the model drop-down. As you can see, we now have access to the latest music models of Mureka V8 and MiniMax 2.5. First, look at MiniMax 2.5. I also did a separate content on this new MiniMax music model itself, especially in its true voice capability. The description here says it all. Paragraph level control and physical grade fidelity. This is the revolutionary option for Meloty. It costs a bit more, 25 credits, but if you are doing complex, detailed storytelling where you need the AI to follow long, intricate instructions, this is your beast. Then, you have the new flagship, Mureka V8. This is a massive leap over the old V7.6. It focuses on elite vocals and stronger melodies. For this test, I'm going to select the MiniMax 2.5 model because I really liked its vocals, and it'll be interesting to see how tight the melody can get. I'm going to stick with the MiniMax 2.5 model. I want to hear the raw power of this physical-grade fidelity they are talking about. Let's hit create and see what the new engine can do. Okay, it's done. Let's listen to our shadowy detective track.
Neon rain slicks the streets of 2080 sprawl. Hologram ghosts flicker in the alleys call. I'm chasing shadows in a world wired tight. Augmented eyes piercing the endless night. Synth hearts beating silicone veins. Whispers of code, encrypted pains. One more case, one more lie to unwind. In this chrome jungle, truth's hard to find. Oh, detective in the dark, what have you found? Echoes of betrayal in the underground. Future's blade cuts deep through the veil of lies. Under stormy skies where the old world dies. Hold your breath, feel the pulse of the grid. In 2080s, Noir, the guilty are hid. Drones hum low over corporate towers high. A femme fatale with neural implants slide. She sells secrets in the back.
That is deep. Do you hear that subtle bass line? Remember, we explicitly told the agent in the previous step, make it a heavy, slow, heartbeat-style bass line. And MiniMax 2.5 executed that perfectly. The atmosphere is thick. The haunting pads are there, just as we asked for, complementing the trip-hop style. Now let's try the same prompt, but with Mureka V8.
Neon rays fix the streets of 2080s pro. Hologram ghosts flicker in the alleys cold. I'm chasing shadows in a world wired tight. Augmented eyes piercing the endless night. Sin hearts beating silicone veins. Whispers of code encrypted pains. One more case, one more lie to unwind. In the scroll.
Hear that? It's very melodic, very radio ready. The vocals are the star here. It's a perfect polished track. This proves the workflow. The agent planned the specific sound, and the MiniMax and Mureka engines had the fidelity to actually pull it off without making it sound muddy. This isn't just random generation. This is an executed design. And of course, just like before, because Melody is built for pros, the back end is solid. If I go to the library, I can download the stem audios. So if I want to take those haunting pads and use them in a different project or remix the vocals, I can do that. And right there, you can download the commercial license for your song. This is a copyright cleared track ready for my next video project or streaming release. As easy as it comes, just a click away. So, that's the update. Meloty has leveled up. You have the agent giving you granular control over the lyrics and style with those new temperature and top P sliders we looked at earlier. And now you have the MiniMax 2.5 and Mureka V8 engines providing the horsepower to make it sound professional. With that, Meloty AI is becoming less of a toy and more of a studio assistant. If you want to try these new music models yourself and play around with those agent creativity sliders, use the link in the description. Go test out the new updates with Meloty AI. See if you can break it or just make something amazing. By the way, if you want to take this further, come join us over at the AI with TechSnap community. We just opened up our official Discord server and Patreon. It's a place for us to hang out, share what we're creating, and help each other grow. Whether you're a free member or looking to support the channel, I'd love to see you there. Head over to the Patreon link in the description to grab your Discord invite and get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.